Hey everyone, it's Stephen Williams, Managing Partner of Foxtrot Family Law. I'm here at the Gunnersville office of Foxtrot Family Law where we help committed parents and caring relatives be effective in child custody cases. Today we're answering 3 of the most frequently asked questions in child custody and visitation. So as a lot of folks say on the internet, let's just get right into it. First, most frequently asked question of all time, with the easiest answer. When can my child decide where she or he wants to live? Short answer for our purposes here today, never. A child is a child, you are the parent. A child is a child, you are an adult. There's more information in the link below at our website about this, but suffice it to say, for your purposes, the reason you're asking, the answer is never. I guess the legally technical answer would be that, 19 in the state of Alabama. Okay, so 19. He or she can live wherever they darn well please. How about that? Okay, question number 2. This would be in like a litigation situation where we're actually going to court, which is okay. You need to be working with a lawyer. Going to court's not the worst thing in the world. It just means you have a different idea of what's best for your child than the other side. And that's fine. That's why judges get paid. That's why they have a job. Sometimes judges would rather us all just go away and settle all of our cases because they have more important things to do. That's fine. But at the end of the day, if you want your day in court, you're going to get one. And then that you might not want that judge deciding what's ultimately best for your child. But anyway, I digress. So second question is, can the other side bring this up? Yeah, like the other side can pretty much bring anything up. You were talking about relevance. That's an evidence thing. Relevant. Is this relevant? When it comes to your child, try to think of something that's not relevant. Your money, your time, your reputation, your health. Even if something's not your fault. If you're really, really sick, it might affect the way you're able to take care of your child or children. Yes, the other side can bring it up. Think about every mistake you've ever made in your life. The key here is to own it. Hey, own it. It happened. I learned from it. Or maybe you don't even think it's a bad thing. Yeah, I do this or that or whatever, and that's what I believe. That's what's best for me. That's what I think is best for my family, and here's why. Own it either way. The other side can bring it up, so bring it on. There's another video that I'll link to in the description here that I love about that. Third question, and I'll wrap up here because I want to keep it reasonably short. What if the other side does this or that? What if the other side does X? Or can the other side do X, Y, or Z? Yeah, at the end of the day, your child custody and visitation order is a piece of paper. The other side can do pretty much anything. And in some cases, whatever they can do, they will. You have rights and remedies in that situation, but some piece of paper is not going to stop somebody from leaving the state with your child. But you want to have that piece of paper so you can do something about it. Having a piece of paper is not going to stop a child from falling off of the swing set at the other side's grandpa's house. Stuff happens. Stuff happens when the child's with you too. So, have some context, have some perspective. But yes, the most fundamental answer here, though, is that we'll deal with it then. Don't drive yourself crazy with hypothetical questions about what if this happens, what if that happens, what if the other side does this, what if the other side does that. Work with specialized counsel in the field of child custody and visitation. Understand some fundamental principles about how these processes work. Understand some fundamental things about how to be effective in a co-parenting or caring relative situation. And then you'll pretty much be prepared for anything. You can't predict whatever will happen, especially with a child. That's part of the exciting part of it. So be effective on a day-to-day basis and deal with stuff as it comes. That's all you can do. With that, there's more information at the links in the description, a link to a blog article about this that has a little more detail, some helpful links, legal statutes, etc. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope this was helpful. And certainly if you're in our area, Gunnersville, Huntsville, North Alabama, Jackson County, Morgan County, Lauderdale County, Limestone County, you name it, shoot us a call or an email and schedule a consultation if we can provide more assistance to you and your family and help you guys be effective in your child custody case. Thanks.